video, I'm going to share with you and I'm going to show you step by step how to create amazing artwork like this. Whether you are a complete beginner or you are an experienced artist, but with these tips can help you elevate and take your art to the next level. These are the few things that as an artist you need to understand them. You don't ignore them in as much as they seem nothing, but they are very, very important. Before you start any drawing or any artwork, you have to understand this little thing before starting an artwork. It's going to help you. They are very, 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 very important. So all you need to do is watch this video till the end so that you will follow up. If like I said, if you are a beginner, if you have any jotter, take your jotter and be jotting these little tips that I'm going to give you so that I can help you improve on your drawing. Number one is sketch. Sketching is very, very important in drawing. Let me say it somehow backbone of any artwork. Before you make any artwork, first of all you have to have that which you want to draw, being a figure or an object. You have to understand the figure and with the reference of what you want to do. Whether it's an imaginative drawing, you already have the image, the reference in your head. It's not left for you to translate it into practice. So while I was a beginner, I was having a difficulty in sketching because sometimes I make an artwork, it won't look like that. And with practice and constant learning, I'm able to overcome this. So, and I believe you can follow this step, can also help you improve on your drawing too. Another one is proportion. Proportion is another key factor in drawing because while I was a beginner, balancing a work in a given space was one of the difficult parts. Sometimes I draw and I won't get it. Like now, if I want to draw a full figure, giving me the space will not be enough for me. Maybe I'll draw at the end of the day, the leg will cut, of which I was meant to draw the full picture. So I understand that, maybe I believe that some of you are encountering these challenges too. So for you to overcome it, keep practicing and learning from videos like this, how to balance it, the work, so that you make your drawing to come out very well. If you watch this video till now, subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you think of it. How anyone that is interested in learning artwork can share my links to them. Hope you learned something very well in this video today. See you in my next video.